Okay, good morning everyone. Ay, good afternoon pa rather. So, hapon na po. So, sorry guys, medyo matagalan na to. Naninibago pa si Sir sa panibagong mode of teaching niya dito via online. So, again, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yay! So, for today's video, ay tuturo ko sa inyo yung module 4 natin, which is the exact type of differential equation. Okay, for the standard form, we have here is the m function of x and y, which is two functions, times the dx plus n function of x and y dy is equals to 0. So meaning exact type of differential equation is a function of two functions of the times dx plus the two functions of x and y in n times the dy. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang function sa dx, dalawang function sa dy. So, before we get the general solution, so, sige, ito muna. So, for the general solution, we have here is f of x and y equals to c, which is the function of the x and y. So, where f x and y is equals to integral of m function of x and y times the partial derivative of x plus c of y, and the another functions okay, for the general solution is the f of x and y is equals to n times x and y times the partial derivative of y plus c of x. So meaning guys, to get the solution sa exact type of DE, we must equate both sides, meaning f of x and f of y, or we can simply get the equation by this equation, which is the partial, okay, so partial derivative of, okay, with respect to, ayan, sige, ikaw na x. So, partial derivative of x is equals to m, the function of x and y, and the partial derivative of f of y over partial derivative of y is equals to n function of x and y. Okay? So, okay, to get the value of the f, we will equate f of x is equals to f of y. So, ginawa ko itong equation na to para mas madali natin maintindihan at para makuha natin yung value ni f. Okay? So, DE equation is set to be exact if this equation will satisfy, meaning the partial derivative of m with respect to partial derivative of y is equals to partial derivative of n with respect to partial derivative of x. Okay? So, dapat, yung pag partial derivative natin yung m with respect to y ay equals dun sa partial derivative ni n with respect to partial derivative of x. So, for the first example, we have here is the solve the equation 6x plus y squared times dx plus y times 2x minus 3y dy is equals to 0. So, for this solution, for this equation, 6x plus y squared is set to be the m of x and y. And in this one, the 2xy minus 3y squared is set to be the n, the function of x and y. So, okay, so before we equate the solution, before we get the solution, we must check the exactness of this equation. So, meaning, so partial, or we will get the partial derivative of m over partial derivative of y is equals to the m of x and y here is 6x plus y squared. So, sa pagkuha po ng partial differentiation, so ang kinukuha pa natin dito is partial derivative of y. So, meaning, the other variable here is set to be constant. So meaning 6x here is constant. Okay? So the y squared will i-differentiate pa rin natin siya, guys. Okay? So for the partial derivative of n with respect to partial derivative of y, it is equals to the differentiation of 6x is equals to 0 plus the derivative of y squared is equals to 2y. So meaning the partial derivative of n over with respect to partial derivative of y is equals to 2y. Okay? So yun na po yung value natin ng partial derivative of n, m with respect to partial derivative of y. Okay, so kunin natin yung partial derivative of n with respect to partial derivative of x. So this is equals to 2xy minus 3y squared because this from this equation. So for this equation, okay, so sorry. So the y here is set to be constant because we're pertaining to partial derivative of x. Okay, so for this equation, we will get the constant here which is 2y, and then the derivative of x is 1, so 1 times 2y is set to be 1 times 2y, so 2y po siya. So the differentiation of 3y squared is equals to 0 because this one is constant. So meaning this equation is said to be exact because partial derivative of m with respect to y and partial derivative of n with respect to partial derivative of x is equals to 2y, which is the same. Okay? So for the solution, okay? So kukuhanin natin, pwede natin siya magamit by using this formula. So meaning, so partial derivative of f of x over partial derivative of x is equals to the m here, m of x of y is 6x plus y squared. So sa case po na yan, so partial of f of x is equals to 6x plus y squared times partial derivative of x. Okay, so we will integrate it both sides. So integral of partial derivative of f of x is equals to, okay, so sa case po na to, ang constant value natin dito is y squared because we're pertaining again to partial derivative of x. So magiging integral of, so constant dito 6, so x partial derivative of x plus y squared partial derivative of x. So sa pagkuha po ng partial derivative, so parang normal lang derivative natin dito, so magiging f of x is equals to 6x squared over 2 plus, so the integral of partial derivative of x is x, so magiging xy squared plus itong ating given equation which is the c of y. Okay? So for the f of y, so partial derivative of f of y over with respect to y is equals to ang n natin dito is 2xy minus 3y squared. So sa constant value here is alin po? So meaning ang constant value dito ay 2x. Okay? So ibig sabihin po, so sa case po na to, so the different distribute natin to 2x minus y plus 3y squared partial derivative of y. So okay, we will integrate it both sides. Okay, so the constant value here is the f of y is equals to, constant value here is 2x times integral of y partial derivative of y minus 3y squared dy. So the f of y here is 2x y squared over 2 minus 3y cubed over 3 plus c of x, or this equation, okay, makacancel to. Ayan, yan. So, f of y, ito na sulat, is equals to xy squared minus y3 plus c of x. Okay? To get the value, actually guys, pwede natin makuha dito yung yung final answer. Pero we must equate both sides, the f of x and the f of y. So magiging, okay, so this is 3. So 3x squared plus xy squared plus c of y. Okay, it is equals to xy squared minus y cubed plus c of x. So cancel this one. Okay, cancel yan. So 3x squared plus c function of y is equals to negative y cubed plus c of x. Okay, to get the value of c of y, so meaning kapag umukunin natin tong c of y, ang x is constant. So c of y is equals to 3. Okay, wait lang. So the c of y is equals to negative y cubed, and the c of x is equals to 3x squared. Okay? So for the final answer, your final answer here will be by simply substituting this equation. Kung gusto nyo i-substitute si c of y kay dito sa part na to, or si c of x dito, or si c of y dito, maalin lang sa dalawa kasi parehas lang naman sila na magiging sagot. So for the f, substitute natin siya dito sa magiging 3x squared plus y squared, so plus c of y. So substitute natin tong y cubed, negative y cubed. So your final answer here will be 3x squared plus xy squared plus, okay, minus pala, sorry, minus y cubed plus c. So this is your final answer. Okay? Guys, for example number 2, we have here is to solve the equation of x plus y times dx plus x minus y times dy is equals to 0. So, siguro guys, pwede natin ito makuha by separable type of equation. Pero, ang gagawin natin dito is exact type of solution. Okay? So, first, di ba lagi natin ginagawa is to check the exactness of the equation, which is the m of x and y here is x plus y. So, meaning, so, partial derivative of m over partial derivative of y is equals to x plus y. So meaning, so x here is constant, so derivative of constant is always equals to 0. So okay, so the derivative of y is equals to 1. Okay, so for the n, partial derivative of n with respect to x, it is equals to x minus y. So meaning, so tulad dito, sa part naman na to guys, ang constant here is y. So ibig sabihin, 0 na to, part na to. So the differential of x is again is 1. So meaning, so na-check na natin yung exactness, parehas po silang 1. So okay. So pwede tayo mag-proceed doon sa solution. Okay? So for the solution, okay? So for the solution, so okay, partial with respect to x is equals to x plus y. Okay? So partial derivative of x is equals to x plus y times the partial derivative of x. So if we will integrate it both sides, okay, so meron ito ng x para hindi masyadong So, integral of x, partial derivative of x, plus integral of y, partial derivative of x. So, partial derivative of f of x is equals to f. So, sa case po na to, if you will integrate this one, so this is equals to x squared over 2. Then, sa part po na to, y is constant. So, meaning, so, ang mangyari na po dito, so, meron ditong y. So, partial derivative of x is equals to x. So, this is the value of f of x. So, to get the value of f of y with respect to y is equals to x minus 1 because our n here is x minus 1 dy. Okay, so, same approach. So, partial derivative of f of y is equals to x minus y partial derivative of y. So, if we will integrate it both sides, so integral of x partial derivative of y minus integral of y partial derivative of y. So, sa case po na to, ang f of y natin is said to be, so for this one, ang constant value natin here is x. So, meaning, so x, y minus y squared over 2. So, lagyan natin ito ng plus c of x and here one is c of y. Okay, to get the value of cy and the cx, so we will equate here by fx equals to f of y. So, magiging x squared over 2 plus xy plus c of y is equals to xy minus y squared over 2. So, cancel this one. So, wait lang. Plus c of x. Okay, so, x squared over 2 plus c of y is equals to negative y squared over 2 plus c of x. So, meaning, the value of c of y, katulad ng sabi ko nina, if lahat ng walang y is said to be constant, so meaning this x squared over 2 is constant, mangyayari is c of y is equals to negative y squared over 2 and the c of x is equals to x squared over 2. So, if to get the final answer here, so magiging f is equals to, simple lang, pili tayo ng mali sa equation sa dalawang ito or dito, so f of x or sa f of y. So, kasi parehas lang naman sila. So, magiging x squared over 2 plus xy. So, substitute natin c of y minus y squared over 2. So, if we will simplify it, so magiging x squared plus 2xy minus y squared plus c. So, this is your final answer. Okay? Okay, for example number 3, we have here is the solved equation of 2xy minus 3x squared times dx plus quantity x squared plus y times dy is equals to 0. So, for the partial derivative of m, with respect to partial derivative of y, it is equals to, our m here is 2xy minus 3x squared. So, I will write this one. So, katulad po sinabi ko kanina, so other variable here, bukod sa y, is said to be constant. So, meaning, ang 2x natin tsaka 3x squared is constant. So, for the partial derivative of y is 1 times 2x is 2x. So, ang differential po ng 3x squared is 0. So, ibig sabihin, the partial derivative of m with respect to partial derivative of y here is equals to 2x. For the partial derivative of n with respect to partial derivative of x, so this is x squared plus y. Okay? So, here is constant is y. So, ibig sabihin, ito na ang differential natin. Differentiated natin. So, the differential of x squared is 2x. So, this is 0. So, meaning, 2x po ang partial derivative of n with respect to partial derivative of x is equals to 2x. So meaning guys, so makikita natin siya dito, itong dalawang to is equal. So meaning, so solution natin dito sa equation na to is said to be exact. Okay? So for the solution, okay? So partial derivative of f of x with respect to partial derivative of x is equals to our m of x and y here is 2xy minus 3x squared. Okay, so partial derivative of f of x is equals to 2xy minus 3x squared versus f of x. So we will integrate it both sides. So integral of partial of f of x is equals to integral. So ang constant value natin here is 2y. So 2y integral of x partial derivative of x minus 3x squared partial derivative of x. Okay, so for the f of x, it is equals to 2y times x squared over 2 minus 3x cubed over 3. Okay, so cancel this one. Cancel din to. So our f of x is equals to x squared y minus x cubed plus c of y. Okay? So for the partial derivative of f of y with respect to y, it is equals, ang n natin dito is x squared plus y, so magiging x squared plus y. So cross multiply natin, so x squared plus y is partial derivative of y. So magiging, we will integrate both sides. So integral of, ang constant value natin here is said to be x squared. So meaning, this is partial derivative of y plus, so integral of y partial derivative of y. So f of y here is x squared y plus y squared over 2 plus c of x. Okay? To get the value of cy and cx, so we will equate f of x is equals to f of y. So, meaning, x squared y minus x cubed plus c of y is equals to x squared y plus y squared over 2 plus c of x. So, cancel this one because if we will transpose it, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So, katulad pa ng sinabi ko kanina, so pagkuha ng value ng c of y, other variable, both sa y is said to be constant. So meaning, so ang y natin dito is y squared over 2, and the c of x natin here is negative x cubed. Okay, so for the final answer, we will substitute this value in any equation, in f of x or in f of y. So substitute ko sa f of x, so magiging f is equals to x squared minus x cubed plus y squared over 2 plus c. So this is your final answer. Okay? Guys, for the code, sa bonus natin, for the code, we have 6-digit code. The first 3 digit is 312. Okay, take note this one. Okay. Good luck. Okay, for number 4. Solve the equation 2x cubed minus xy squared minus 2y plus 3 times the derivative of x minus x squared y plus 2x times dy is equals to 0. So, we will check the exactness of this equation, which is partial derivative of m over partial derivative of y. It is equals to, ang m of x of y natin dito is 2x cubed minus xy squared minus 2y plus 3. So ang constant value na variable natin here is x cubed. Okay, so we will differentiate it. So 0 minus, so the differential of y squared is 2xy minus Okay, the differential ito is said to be 2. Okay, so meaning your partial derivative of m with respect to partial derivative of y is said to be 2xy minus 2. Okay, for the partial derivative of n with respect to x, so it is equals to, so guys, ang standard form natin is said to be positive for this one. So meaning, is i-include natin yung negative dito. So magiging negative x squared y minus 2x. Okay? So for this one, a constant here is y. So the differential of x squared is negative 2xy, and this one is negative 2. So meaning for partial derivative of m with respect to y is equals to partial derivative of n with respect to partial derivative of x, which is negative 2xy minus 2. Okay? For the solution, meaning guys, so f of x with respect to x, it is equals to m of x of y natin dito, which is 2x cubed minus xy squared minus 2y plus 3. Okay? So, if we will distribute it, the partial derivative, 2x cubed minus xy squared minus 2y plus 3, partial derivative of x. So, we will integrate it both sides. So, the constant here is y. So, meaning 2x cubed partial derivative of x minus y squared partial derivative of x dx minus 2y integral of partial derivative of x plus 3 partial derivative of x. Ayan, integral sign yan. Okay? So, f of x is equals to 2 times x over 4 minus y squared times x squared over 2 minus 2y times the integral of this one, which is x, plus 3x plus c of y. So we will simplify it. So this equals to 2. So your f of x is equals to x over 4 over 2 minus x squared y squared over 2 minus 2xy plus 3x plus c of y. Okay? So for the f partial derivative of y with respect to partial derivative of y, it is equals to, ang natin dito is negative x squared y minus 2x. So, distribute lang natin guys. So, yan, negative x squared y minus 2x partial derivative of y. So, magiging, so if you will integrate it both sides, so integral of the constant value here is said to be x squared. So meaning negative x squared integral of y partial derivative of y minus 2x integral of partial derivative of y. So for the f of y, it is equals to negative x squared y squared over 2 minus 2x and y plus the c of x. Okay? To get the c of y and the c of x, so we will equate f of x is equals to fy. So, ang f of x po natin dito is, okay, is said to be x to the fourth over 2 minus x squared y squared over 2 minus 2xy plus 3x plus c of y is equals to, which is the f of y, so negative x squared y squared over 2 minus 2xy plus c of x. So cancel this one, so meaning that 3x plus c of y is equals to c of x. So for the value of c of y, so c of y is equals to, sorry guys, meron pa pala ditong x raised to 4 over 4. Ayan. For the c of y, it is equals to 0, and the c of x is equals to x to the fourth over 4 plus 3 of x. Okay, for the final answer, so any of this one, so substitute natin dito c of y, which is 0 lang naman, so magiging f is equals to x to the fourth over 4 over 2. Sorry guys, 2 pala to, 2. Notice ko lang. So, okay, wait lang ah. So this is over 2. Okay, so x to the fourth over 2 minus x squared y squared over 2 minus 2xy plus 3x plus c. So this is your final answer. Okay, for the last 3-digit code sa bonus question natin is, last 3-digit code is 1, 2, 3. Good luck, guys! So that's all for the exact type of solution. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. So Engineer Edo po.